Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 36. The uses of lenses is not applicable in the A. Projector, B. Human eye, C. Periscope, D. Telescope. So you are asked in which of these four options is or are lenses not applicable or used. Now let's look at each of the options. Now the first one says projector. Now of course the use of projector is to magnify an image on a screen. So an image which is formed within the projector is magnified, into a larger image on the screen. Now, as it involves magnification or increasing the size of an image, it makes use of a projection, what is called a projection lens. So for this reason, a lens is applicable in it, and so it is not the answer to this question. Now B says human eye. Now in the diagram of the human eye, or among the parts of the human eye, the lens is actually a part of the human eye, and its function is to converge rays of light, to help to converge rays of light on another part of the eye called the retina. So it converges those rays of light on the retina so it can be sensed and interpreted by the brain. So there's actually a part of the eye called lens, so the lens is applicable to the human eye. And also aside that, various lenses are also used to correct eye defects in humans. So lens is applicable, and so it is not the answer to this question. Now C says periscope. Now a periscope is an instrument that is used to view over or around an object. So let's say you have an object like a mountain. So a periscope is used to view over that particular object from a point that it's not that visibility is usually poor. Now the periscope makes use of a classical periscope makes use of two mirrors at two ends set parallel to each other at a 45-degree angle. So you can see that this periscope makes use of mirrors and not lenses. So lenses are not applicable in the classical periscope. So the periscope is the answer to this question. And lastly, option D said telescope. Of course, telescope is used to view distant objects. So the distant object, of course, needs to be magnified, and hence a lens is used for that. So like we have established, option C, which is periscope, is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.